and now it's too tight. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Wonderful, that's better. Better. Hey guys, this is Haps. Welcome back to my channel, and also happy Sunday to you. I must apologize, today's video is going to be late, but you know what, better late than never. We are here, we are late, but we've got a video. On today's video, you are going to be doing this Christmas look with me. Christmas look, holiday look, or whatever you want to call it. Red lipstick is a must, otherwise it wouldn't be a Christmas look without a red lipstick. Don't forget to like, to share, and to be subscribed to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. And I hope you are going to enjoy today's video. Until our next one, you stay happy. Let's get into this look. Face is prepped, almost ready. I'm now just applying my SPF because, girl, if you do not put your SPF on, even on makeup days, you will burn to ashes, girl. Trust and believe, you will burn to ashes. Never forget applying your products, dragging them down your neck and chest as well. Always do that. You can thank me later. You're welcome. And also, why am I breaking out so much? I am breaking out every day. There's a new pimple. Look at these ones. These ones are my first ones. You can see they're old and spotty. And then on my chin, I've got my most recent ones. Why is that happening to me? I'll tell you why that is happening to me. December has been the most difficult month for me. And I am so ready for... Okay, we are venting. Are we not? Okay, I'll just continue then. DT, I am ready for the year to end. And I cannot be the only one. And over here, I just realized that the foundation I picked is not really my skin tone's best foundation. But you know what? I'm not going to wipe it off. I'm not doing that. We're just going to have to make this work. This is where we trust the process. Now I wasn't trusting the process, but I was just like, you know what? If it doesn't work, then I'm just not going to post. So I put my foundation on. I spread it evenly throughout my face using a brush, and then I go in with a blender to make sure everything is nice and fixed. At this point, I'm still thinking, do I just keep going and hope that I'm able to make it right? Or what do I do? And I decided to keep going. And so I blended my life away. Next is the concealer. I've had this concealer for the longest time. It's been... Yeah, I've had this for long. A year? Yeah, definitely a year. Could be more. No, definitely not more. But then again, I don't always wear makeup like every day. And some days it will just be foundation only. If you see me smiling here, that is because I am watching Elena and her family, her very big, lovely family. Elena has 8 kids, and she's amazing, Betunana. And since I wasn't feeling my best for like a week and a half, all I'd been doing this time was watching some feel-good movies. I've been catching up on my favorite YouTubers. I've been just on the couch, nursing my feelings. I also had a lot of cake during this period. I had a lot of cake, 2 to be exact. First, I got a very big log of carrot cake. I finished that in 2 days. And then I got a chunky slice of Black Forest. This one I finished in 1 sitting. Now, I don't have a sweet tooth. And I am not an emotional eater. But this time, like, Sana, when I tell you that I could not make sense of my feelings or what brought them about, this is what I mean, because so much was going on. And I could not like pinpoint what exactly could have brought these feelings forward. So all I could do was just sit and allow these emotions to ravage me. And I just had to take the punches like a champ while watching TV. But also, I did take this as a sign for me to like slow down, unplug. Hence, I haven't been posting as much on my YouTube like the Vlogmas that I had said I would. And if I'm being honest with myself as well, I did overcommit. Because shooting, editing, and posting every day is no child's play. Yes, everything had been planned out, but the reality of it is, totally not doable. Not by me, at least. You have to batch, pre-shoot, pre-edit, pre-post. Like, yo, sana, vlog mask. Anyway, we're still on this whole makeup. This is a makeup / event video, isn't it? Okay, anyway, brows. Yeah, I overdid the brows. They were so dark. Look at that. They were so dark, it was scary. But then again, we went back to the powder. Pressed the powder on my brows just to take away the shine, because the shine does make the darkness like more visible. It kind of like highlights it. Moved on to contouring, and then from here it was blush. After my face, I moved on to my hair. Initially, I wanted to do a Jackie inspired braided updo, but Sana, it wouldn't work. So I had to settle for this one instead. So this I had seen briefly on Pinterest as a step-by-step, and I took a screenshot and I was like, I can pull this off. Let's see. So it's a half up, half down. Right here, I'm like, I don't know if this is doable. I'm stressing out, if you can't tell. But then I took my time with it. I watched a tutorial. And I was like, oh, okay. Got my wand out and I started just slowly curling my hair. And with each curl, I was happy. Look at that, how perfect is that? So cute, so full. My battery died while filming, but this is what the look turned out like. So beautiful. You can follow me on Instagram if you'd like to see more pictures of this day. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to be subscribed.